In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export all kit.com subscribers at once. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet of your entire audience that you can back up, analyze, or import into other tools. First, open your browser and go to kit.com. Head straight to your dashboard. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you land on the main dashboard view. This is your control center, and it's where you can access all the tools related to your audience and growth. From the dashboard, look for the Grow section in the navigation. Click Grow to open the area dedicated to building and managing your audience. This is where Kit groups features like forms, automations, and the subscriber list you're about to export. Next, click Subscribers. This brings up a table of everyone on your list, including their status and other key details. Take a quick glance to confirm you're seeing the right list and any filters aren't hiding people you want included. If you use segments or tags often, just make sure the full list is visible so your export captures everyone you expect. Now, to select your entire audience in one go, click the checkbox at the top of the subscribers table. That master checkbox selects all visible rows. If your list spans multiple pages, look for any prompt that confirms you want to select all subscribers across the entire list, not just the current page. Confirming that ensures you're exporting everyone at once, not just what's on screen. With all subscribers selected, find the Bulk Actions menu above the table. Click it to reveal your available actions. Choose Export. Once you do, Kit prepares a file of your subscribers. For large lists, this can take a moment, so don't worry if it isn't instant. When the export is ready, Kit sends it to the email address associated with your account. Check your inbox for the message containing the download link. If you don't see it, give it a couple of minutes and look in your spam or promotions folder just in case. The file is typically a CSV, which opens in tools like Google Sheets, Excel, or Numbers. After you download the file, keep it in a safe place. Consider renaming it with today's date so you can easily track versions over time. If you're planning to import it elsewhere, review the columns first to ensure they match what your destination tool expects and remove any fields you don't need. That's it. You've exported all of your kit.com subscribers in one shot, ready for analysis, backups, or migrations.